Bye-bye.
Say hi.
Hi.
Whitney, what did you do with your spoon?
I used my spoon. I put into the milk.
You put it into your milk?
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
Why did I do that?
What did you do with your straw?
What did I do with my straw? I played with it.
Yeah, you played with it? What is Tilly doing?
What's Tilly doing? Make me my video.
Yep, I'm making a video of you.
Make it this one.
Oh, you want to see what I'm doing? Alright, I'll show you what I'm doing. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.